Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix those annoying login errors on the Botim app so you can get back to making calls. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the phone settings, we need to rule out the most common, simple issues, your internet connection and the app version. First, verify that you have a stable internet connection by toggling your Wi-Fi off and on or switching to mobile data just to test it. Next, open up your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Botim. If you see a button that says Update next to the app, go ahead and tap it immediately. An outdated app is the #1 cause of login failures. If updating didn't work, we need to clear out the temporary files that might be corrupted. This is usually the magic fix for login loops. Open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down until you find the Apps or Applications section. Tap on Apps and then use the search bar at the top right to find Botim in the list. Tap on the Botim icon to open its app info page. Look for the Storage or Storage Usage option and tap on it. You will see two options here. First, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary junk. If that doesn't work, come back here and tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Just keep in mind this resets the app to fresh settings. Finally, let's make sure you are entering your details correctly, as Botim is very strict about format. Open the Botim app again. When entering your phone number, double-check that the country code is correct for your specific location. Enter your number and wait for the OTP. You need to enter this code quickly before it expires. If it still fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app entirely. One last tip, if you're in a country with strict internet regulations, try switching to a different network or briefly enabling a VPN, as some local networks might be blocking the connection. And that's it. You now know how to troubleshoot and fix your Botim login errors so you can stay connected with friends and family. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.